My dogs are being so patient right now. They're waiting for their dental chew. Now, I will say, make sure to check what size you should be getting for your dogs, because I accidentally got the teeny ones, and I still give it to them because I don't want to waste them. But technically, these tiny ones are meant for dogs like 5 to 15 pounds. And clearly, I have large dogs here. So I just make sure I watch them while they eat it. So that it's not a choking hazard. But these things are so great. So the one I have is like the large pack. It comes with 130 of the tiny ones, and it's 2 packs of these. So I literally will keep one on my counter and then one underneath in the storage for when I run out. These are great because they hate getting their teeth brushed. Like literally they will fight it all day. And it's been a pain. So these are daily dental chews. They clean teeth, freshen breath, boost oral gut. And I love these ones because of the ingredients. A lot of the dental chews that I've seen before, where the ingredients are here, use like a lot of chicken, and this one is sweet potato, turkey, and then pumpkin yogurt and blueberries. So love it. Has the ingredients all listed right here. And then it has all your feeding guidelines. 1 per day, monitor while they chew. Obviously this one I bought the wrong size, so weighs over 5 pounds. They clearly weigh over 5 pounds, but once I run out of this big pack, I will eventually buy the large ones. But the brand had actually sent me these ones. My dogs love them. They act like they're a treat, which they do. They are. They taste good for them. And this is what it looks like. So hold on, Paisy. This is what it looks like. So you can see it has these little grooves, and then those help kind of get into their their teeth. Yeah, okay, we'll get one more since they're little. There you go. But they love them.